अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का टॉपिक पाकिस्तान's न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम एंड इंटरनेशनल कंसर्न्स। Pakistan's nuclear program has been a subject of international concern since it was first established in the 1970s. The country's acquisition of nuclear weapons has been viewed as a destabilizing factor in the region and a potential threat to global security. Here are some key points about Pakistan's nuclear program and the international concerns surrounding it. Development of Pakistan's nuclear program. Pakistan's nuclear program was initiated in the 1970s, following India's first nuclear test in 1974. It was accelerated in 1980s under the leadership of the Prime Minister Zulfikar Bhutto. The program was initially focused on developing a nuclear power capability, but later shifted towards acquiring nuclear weapons. Pakistan's nuclear arsenal. According to estimates, Pakistan possesses around 165 nuclear warheads, making it the sixth largest nuclear power in the world. Pakistan has also developed delivery systems for its nuclear weapons, including ballistic missiles and aircraft. Third, international concerns. Pakistan's nuclear program has been a cause of concern for many countries, particularly India and the United States. The fear is that the nuclear weapons could fall into the hands of the terrorists, or that a conflict between India and Pakistan could escalate into a nuclear. Fifth one is security of Pakistan's nuclear arsenal. Pakistan maintains that its nuclear weapons are secure and that it has put in place extensive measures to safeguard them. However, there have been reports of insider threats, including the involvement of some members of Pakistan's military in extremist activities. Uh, there is no fact, although these are blame games by the opponent countries, India, Israel, and United States. Next, fifth one is international sanctions. In response to concern about Pakistan's nuclear program, several countries, including the United States, have imposed sanctions on Pakistan. These have included restrictions on aid, trade, and military cooperation. Overall, Pakistan's nuclear program remains a source of concern for the international community, with many countries calling on Pakistan to take further steps to ensure the security of its nuclear arsenal and prevent the proliferation of nuclear weapons. At the end, I will say there is a hypocritical behavior by the West. Uh, One side, Pakistan is criticized, and on other side, no sanctions on India and Israel. They are prolifying the nuclear weapons on a very high speed, and India is one of the biggest importers from last 2 years of arsenals or weapons. Then our next topic is regional cooperation, including SAARC, ECO, SCO, and the role of Pakistan. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.